expecting you. Welcome to our tour, our little abode. Why don't we start over here? Take off your shoes, please. Here we have handcrafted by someone pallet boards that my husband so skillfully found and very frugally saved a lot of money, and it has a little rustic little glow to it as you walk into our cabin. On your left here you will see multiple coat hooks for myself and my husband and all of our coats. It looks like there's lots of people here, but actually it's just the two of us. Here we have our shared workspace. Only one of us can use it at a time, but we can just sit down and just plunk away on the computer like anyone can at any desk, but it's in our cabin, so it's nice and special. We'll leave that behind and continue on. Up above you will see the only part of the cabin that I have contributed, the decor, the feminine touch, if you will. Yes, so admire if you will. Then here we have our kitchen table, also handcrafted by someone. And flowers, just for no reason, my sweet husband. We have the kitchen, straight ahead. Plenty of storage. My husband thought ahead and knew that it was going to be a small space, knew that we need a lot of hidden away areas for things that we didn't necessarily want displayed. So you'll see here we have all glasses and plates and such. Continue on. This, one of my favorite parts of the whole cabin. Isaac, my husband, made this in a matter of minutes, and it's just so darn cute. Extra water if we don't feel like going to the fridge for our filtered water, or don't feel like going to the sink. We have a third option. All right, keeping up, are we? Okay, into the bathroom we go. Here you will see this very conveniently sized washer and dryer, stackable, just what we needed. Shower, sizey and bucketable. All the towels one could ever need for all the guests we'll have someday. All of my boring girl products. Antique looking mirror. Isaac's touch, actually. He thought I wouldn't like it, but I did. I do. Alright. More wonderful storage. Example A. And here is B. Look at these pull-out drawers. They come out very easily and slide right in. No problems. Alright, let's go to the second level, where all the bedroom are. Here is the master bedroom. This is where we start and end each day. So peaceful up here. Keep moving on before I fall asleep. Gotta watch your step going down. Literally, you have to watch them because you have to carry the rope. Well, the rope stays in place. You just hold it. Should stay in place. Oh, and we have closets. They're not very sizable, but it is a walk. You can make it a walk-in. You can make any closet a walk-in if you really think about it. But I don't usually make it into a walk-in, just a look-in kind of closet. And then Isaac's, well, you know what a closet looks like. More storage. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but This was probably one of the newer additions. We went couchless for about a month and running waterless and electricity-less for about a month. So, hoodly doodly. Wood burning stove. We are modern day pioneers at their finest. And a modern day touch. A whopping 76-inch plasma TV. And here we find ourselves right back at the door. Hope you enjoyed your tour of Colleen and Isaac's 420 square foot cabin.